In a meadow that lived a little sheep who really liked playing around the meadow, but he always felt lonely because he had no friends to play with. One day, while the little lamb was playing, he saw a little bird. The little lamb picked up the little bird and carried it back to its nest. The little bird was very grateful to him. Since then, the little bird has always accompanied the little lamb to play in the grassland. They became friends who always played together every day. Moral of the God story above is learning that kindness can bring new friends and unexpected happiness.